Hey YouTube, Jeff Low Price Keys. Thumbs up to all the subscribers. Check this out. We're coming out late today, helping the customers out. Broke his key in half and also lost his transponder. So we're out here to cut and program another one. And 1 second, we'll be right back and get the key started for him. All right, YouTubers, we are back. Here is the broken key. So here is new key that we just programmed for him. Let's go ahead and put that in the ignition. Right there. Turn the dash on. Secure right there. If it's done properly, should disappear and allow you to start the car. Boom. This is Jeff, Low Price Keys, Houston, Texas. If you guys broke all your keys or need additional keys, call us. We could be reached at 281-250-4334. Have one car key, get an extra one made before it's too late. Thank you for following us online and have a blessed day.